Start the recording. Hello, mate. Happy March.
Hello,
Happy Monday.
Happy much. Happy St. David's Day.
Oh yes, it is.
That was really bad Welsh accent.
Yes, I'll have to get Sophie to review that.
No, please don't. She'll never talk to me again. But yeah, happy days for the de Villiers household with a Welsh-English game, England game on Saturday. I'm sure there was much celebration.
Emily wasn't pleased.
Good. Well, I'm glad there's some representation in an English household in England.
Yeah, definitely. So, what's new?
What is new? I'm hoping you'll tell me, us.
Yeah.
Them.
So, didn't feel like a busy week last week, or a week with many achievements, but actually a couple of big ones. So the one is, we had already the ability, when you're looking at the workflow board, to then be able to preview the contact without loading the contact. You can edit the data object without having to leave the workflow. When you're looking at several things, you can go through and edit stuff. So we've now added that preview and edit functionality to the results display with the inline editing. So when you pull up a saved query and it gives you as a result of 20, you've been able to amend the fields that are in the results for quite some time now. But now, and those are obviously just the fields that you selected to be part of the results. But now you've got the same ability. You can, without leaving that results page and load the results next time round, you can preview the contact, or you can go and edit the data object, which allows you to edit fields that's not part of the trimmed down results that you've set up.
Yeah.
But it just means if you've got 10 and you want to go in and look at something, make a change, carry on, you don't then have to go back and load the result. Just came about client who works in sales, lots of cold leads, sometimes has to load 300 results. Doesn't really then want to load one contact, go back and load 300 results, load one contact, do it that way, and just being able to have it pop up on the screen. And when you close the edited data object, your search results are there and you can carry on with the next contact as you need to.
Yeah, so all about helping people be more effective and productive in what they're doing.
And then the other one is actually a WordPress plugin for Macanta, which at first might sound odd, but what it allows you to do is to, and this comes in particularly handy if you have a membership portal, a customer portal that you run, that they log into a membership version on WordPress. Doesn't really matter what product you use there, but it allows you to display the contact's data object information via shortcode on a WordPress page. So you can log in. So let's say we were running memberships, and a membership is represented inside Macanta as a data object that you have a relationship of member to. We can then set it up that when you, as the member, log into the membership portal in WordPress, you can see your membership details. You've got read-write functionality if you want it. So it just allows you to show history, mailing, anything that's actually stored as a data object inside Macanta, you can show to the customer.
Or I guess if I'm a customer of, if I'm a coaching client, I could log into the coaching back end and I could see the notes from all of my coaching sessions and what I agreed to do and stuff. Yeah,
that's very cool. All the history of that will then live there. So it develops or it gives access to an element of self-service to the client or customer, who is in essence just a contact in Macanta. They're not a user. They don't have access to Macanta, but you are able to display. And of course, it's matched by the email address. as long as they log into WordPress, into your membership site with the right email address, the matching one for Macanta, the information will be pulled through. And we've built it specifically on WordPress rather than for a particular membership platform, so that you can use it with Access, Ally, Membarium. As long as it's WordPress based, then this works.
Membership Pro, WP Member, whatever it is. Yeah. And I just wanted to clarify that our plugin is not providing any of that login authentication or page protection. You know, you've got a membership plugin for that. Is that when a user has logged in, a contact or user has logged into that, and they go into a page that is protected by that plugin, then you can drop the Macanta shortcode in there, and we match up by email addresses, as you say, and show the relevant information. And is there any
in detail? In detail, the plugin is really, by and large, what it does for you is generates the shortcodes. So you select the parameters that you want, generate shortcode, you paste that on the page where you want it, and you're done. The plugin doesn't store anything or do much beyond that.
No,
it just has the intelligence when the page loads to go and fetch.
And in terms of configuring that shortcode, that includes which data object type I'm referring to, which fields I want to bring back.
Yeah.
Okay, cool.
Whether you want to display the other contacts that have a relationship to this data object type, whether you want to display the files that are attached to the data object.
Very cool.
It's quite flexible for that.
Great.
So yeah,
excellent.
So those are
and you were thinking you hadn't done much. The bar's set too high, sir.
Yeah, well, we keep it up there. Cool.
Great. Excellent. Good work. Well done.
See you soon.
See ya. Same time, same place next week. Bye.